This is a new 2014 Ford Mustang, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 5-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a power convertible top, leather seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a spoiler, cruise control, keyless entry, a trip computer. Safety was made a priority with these features: xenon headlamps, fog lights, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Cortese Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 2440 West Henrietta Road, Rochester, New York, 14623.